As Landcruiser owners, we know more than anyone how special these vehicles are. But how are we protecting them on a daily basis? Because of this, the Cruiser Cult spent 2 years developing and testing a plug-and-play FJ62 specific kill switch. It is simple to install for anyone with basic electrical knowledge. It targets an electrical system used to start the vehicle, and once engaged, the vehicle will crank but not run. You pick the location of the switch. You pick who starts and drives your Landcruiser.